Mega, mega, mega love shoutout everyone. My name is Martes Miranda ng 3 Divas Miranda. And syempre po walang sawa po ako magbigay pasasalamat sa ating families and friends ng FB and White World Friends. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyo pong suporta sa akin at sa 3 Divas Miranda. Lagi pong tatandaan wala kami kung wala ang bawat isa sa inyo sa buhay namin. Ang success po ng aming channel ay dahil po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. And syempre hindi ko po pwedeng kalimutan ang aking mga kapatid, Ate Ana Miranda, Ate Melrose Miranda, together with Nanay Lourdes Miranda, and syempre ang aking gwapong amain, Kuya Mandy Salongadan sa Mabulong from Vienna, Austria, together with Ate kong sexy Rainy Mix Vlog. Mega love shout out po sa inyo dyan. And syempre, hindi po natin pwedeng kalimutan ang lahat ng team ng White World Friends. Ang mabanggit ko po maraming salamat. Ang hindi ko po may banggit ay pasensya na po. And syempre, dahil sa sobrang daming nyo. And syempre po, walang sawa po ng bibigay pa sa salamat sa team Artist, Team Boo, Team Kahoy, and syempre po sa Miranda family, Sanita family, Garcia family, and Jula family. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa walang sawa niyo pong love and support sa amin. Siyempre, hindi po natin pwedeng kalimutan ang ating mga best ng White Wall Friends. Siyempre po, hindi po mawawala dyan ang ating best DJ, best remix, best OP, and Rico Music Lover. And siyempre, ang ating best narrator, Kuya Dapper PH. Mega love shout out po sa inyong dalawa dyan. Ano, diba? And siyempre po, hindi po natin pwedeng kalimutan ang nag-request. Maraming salamat sa iyo dyan, Annalyn Elederos. Lagi pong tatandaan kung sa Filipina I Can See Your Voice, dito po sa 3 Divas Miranda. This is all my voice, everyone. Diba? Na-miss ko po talaga mag-shout out. My version, everyone. Never thought I'd feel this way, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forever. What friends are for. My version, everyone. Thank you so much, Ana Minela Diaz. Sana yung mabibigyan mo ang version ko lamang. Well, you can come in loving me and know there's so much more I can see. And so by the way, I thank you. Oh, and then for the times when we're apart, well then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, oh, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. so much, everyone!